What causes shower drain gurgling sounds? Have you ever heard that strange bubbling or gurgling noise coming from your shower drain and wondered what's behind it? It can be pretty annoying, especially when you're trying to relax. Usually, these sounds happen because of issues in your plumbing system that affect how air and water move through your pipes. Let's look at what causes this and how you can fix it. One common reason is a blocked or partly clogged drain pipe. Over time, hair, soap scum, and debris can build up inside the drain or further down the pipe. When water tries to flow past these blockages, it slows down and traps air pockets. As water pushes through, the trapped air escapes, making that gurgling sound you hear. Clearing out these minor blockages with a plunger or a drain snake can often fix this problem. Another cause is a blocked or faulty plumbing vent. These vents are usually on the roof and let air into the drainage system. If they get blocked by leaves, nests, or debris, negative pressure builds up inside the pipes. This pressure imbalance causes air to be pulled through the water in the traps, creating that bubbling noise. Cleaning or inspecting the vent to make sure it's clear can often solve this issue. Sometimes the problem is with the P-trap, which is that U-shaped pipe under your shower drain. Its job is to hold water and block sewer gases from coming into your home. If the P-trap is missing, damaged, or not installed correctly, air can flow irregularly through the drain, causing gurgling sounds. Checking that the P-trap is in place and functioning properly is a good step. Gurgling sounds can also come from connected drain lines, like your toilet or sink sharing the same system. If there's a blockage or venting issue in these connected fixtures, air can move unpredictably, causing noise in your shower drain. Sometimes, fixing one part of the system can resolve the whole problem. Poor plumbing design or installation can also lead to gurgling. If pipes are too small, not sloped correctly, or lack proper venting, it can cause drainage and pressure problems. These issues often requiring a professional plumber to correct the layout and ensure everything flows smoothly. To fix gurgling sounds, start by using a plunger or a drain snake to clear minor blockages. Check your vents for obstructions and clean them if needed. Avoid harsh chemical drain cleaners because they can damage pipes. Instead, try natural solutions like baking soda and vinegar, followed by hot water flushes. Make sure your P-trap is properly installed and sealed. If these steps don't work or if multiple fixtures are affected, it's best to call a professional plumber. Regular maintenance, including drain cleaning and vent inspection, can help prevent these noises from coming back and keep your plumbing system working quietly and efficiently.